Hello, my name is Davy and I'm going to show you the main features of a compass. So, as you can see, this is a transparent plate. You can see through the things that are on a map. This is the housing. This keeps the bearing numbers that are there in place. And these lines, the red and black lines, are the orientating lines. This big arrow behind the magnetic north arrow, as you can see behind, is the orientating arrow, and this is filled up with a liquid. On both sides there are two scales. One of them is a 1 to 25 scale that you use on a 1 to 25,000 scale map, and on this side is 1 to 50,000 scale. This is just a little ruler. This big black line there, that is the directional travel arrow, and this here as a magnifying glass, so when you put it up to a map you can see stuff in a bit more detail. Thank you. Hello again, and my name is Davy. This time I'm going to show you how to do grid references. Okay, as you can see on maps you have these numbers there, like that's going across, and these ones are going up and down. Okay, this is how to do a 4-figure grid reference. I'm going to put a point, well, say a point there. Basically it's a 4-figure grid reference. It's not as detailed, but how you read it is 20, 27. But there's the word, like the UK is divided down into separate sections, and for us it would be SX. The code would be SX, so it would be SX 2027. Now, this is how to do a 6-figure grid reference. Here is my point. I'm going to just name that point A. Okay, you always go along the corridor and up the stairs. So there's 18, but because we're doing a 6-figure grid reference, we can go in a bit more detail. As you can see, it's divided down into smaller numbers. So it will be 18 and we'll go along, so it'll be 3. So as remember, you've got to do like the code, so it'll be SX 18.3, and now you go up, so we'll be going up from 22 and we'll go across, and it'll be 3 as well, so it'll be 22, 3. And that is how to read grid references. Hello once again, and my name is Davy, and this time we're going to be doing bearings. Okay, so here is a map where we've got 2 points, point A and point B. To do bearings, you line up your compass so that the directional travel arrow goes in the direction you want to travel, so in this case I want to go from A to B. Now, do you see these orientating lines? You have to line these up so they're facing north on the map. Like so, so they're in line with the small lines that go down the map. Like so. Okay. As you can see, there is a little line. You probably won't be able to see it, but there's a line which shows the number, the bearing. So in this case, for instance, this is 50 degrees. Because of magnetic variation, you have to add on 2 degrees, like so. So it'd be 52 degrees. Now, all you have to do is just rotate the compass until the magnetic north needle is inside the orienteering arrow. Now you can walk in the direction that you're meant to travel. If it goes out of the orientating arrow, then you're off course. So just move until you're back on course.